kung business owner ka, tapos content creator ka at the same time, hindi mo kailangan gumawa ng Facebook ads kasi 'di ba merong gumagawa ng Facebook ads. Yung karamihan ng gumagawa ng Facebook ads is yung mga business owner na hindi naman nagba-vlog or nagko-content at pinapakita yung sarili nila sa mga vlog nila. Ibig sabihin wala silang personal brand. So meron lang silang logo ng company nila, product or service, yung mga photo, yung videos about it. So yung mga brand lang. But if you're a business owner and then at the same time you are a content creator, ibig ko sabihin nagko-content ka din, nagba-vlog ka, pinapakita mo yung pangalan mo, yung sarili mo, nagba-vlog ka about the self mo, yung ginagawa mo, like, you know. So you don't need actually to create Facebook ads, yung gawa ng magandang video for marketing and babayaran sa Facebook ads, di ba? Para mag-run ng ads. Kailangan mong gawin yun pag wala kang vlog or wala kang personal brand. Ang ibig sabihin kasi ng personal brand is kilala ka ng mga tao. Pinapakita mo yung sarili mo, yung pangalan mo, nag-vlog ka tungkol sa sarili mo. So that is actually a personal brand. Ngayon, pag nagkikilala ka ng mga tao and you develop a good relationship to the public, especially to your followers and potential customers, you don't need to run a Facebook ads because what you actually have to do is to create volume of content. So in this content, as a business owner, yung mga content mo is actually you're developing a relationship or connection sa mga tao.